Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by loading Pro EQ on the track you want to fix. Use mono for single sources and stereo for spatial material. Once loaded, engage a high-pass filter around 80-120 Hz to remove rumble, choosing a steeper slope when low end is cluttered. Next, solo the track and use a narrow Q peak to sweep slowly. Listen for harsh or boomy spots. When you find a problem frequency, reduce gain modestly so you keep musical character while cleaning the mix. Continue by shaping the track. If you need presence or warmth, apply a broad bell with Q around 0, 7 to 1, 2, and add small boosts of 1 to 3 dB. Conversely, for harshness, use a narrow cut, Q between 3 and 8, sweeping 2 to 6 kHz until the edge softens. For boxiness, make a targeted reduction in the 200-600 Hz band. Also, make sure to compare with a reference using the spectrum analyzer. That keeps your tonal decisions objective while you dial slopes and bandwidths. To finish, unbypass and bypass the EQ frequently to a /be the result, ensuring improvements translate in context. Adjust makeup gain or track fader to prevent clipping after boosts. If a problematic frequency only appears on certain notes, switch to dynamic EQ mode and set threshold and ratio so cuts engage only when needed. If the mix becomes thin after processing, double-check your high-pass settings and consider a gentle low shelving boost. That single troubleshooting step recovers body without reintroducing muddiness.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.